Welcome. Let's make some really juicy grilled chicken breasts in our Ninja Foodi grill. Let's first start with making a delicious marinade. We need 1/3 a cup of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and don't worry about writing this down. I have it in the recipe card of this post. If you are watching on YouTube, just click on the post and then click on Jump to Recipe. Now we're adding in 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, a 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire, oopsie, just a little extra there, and 3 tablespoons of garlic. I like to use mine fresh. It's been in the freezer, so it was a little tough there at first, but there we go. I got some freshly grated, delicious garlic in there. Mix it all together. And then we want to get 4 chicken breasts. You don't want them to be too thick. If they are, cut them in half. If they're not that bad, just pound them down a little bit. But mine were very thick, so I went ahead and cut mine in half. Then let's get those into that delicious marinade. I seasoned mine with some pepper and I used some seasoned salt since that's my favorite. Flip those over, and then I seasoned this side as well. And then you just want to make sure that you poke some holes into that meat. We want to make sure that that marinade permeates completely through that meat and we get that taste and flavor of it. It's just delicious. So poke both sides. And then I'm going to spoon that marinade over it. I really want it to get seeped into those holes. And then we'll let it sit for about at least a half hour. I used my press and seal. Have you used it before? It's amazing. We'll get our grill ready, and I'm putting in the grill grate, and we're going to go ahead and turn it on. Set it to medium temperature for 25 minutes. Press start. It's going to take a little while to preheat. Just have a little patience with that. And then once it tells us to add in the food, we're going to open up that lid and add on our marinated chicken breast. Close that lid, and then we're going to cook it for 8 to 10 minutes. Open it up, and I just want you to see how beautiful these are starting to look already. Flip those breasts over. Then we're going to close the lid, cook it for another 5 minutes, and then open it up, and let's get some more marinade over the top. I want to make sure I bake on that flavor. Cook it for another 5 minutes. And I just want you to see again how delicious and beautiful those look. And then we're going to check that internal temperature. And they are perfect, so we'll go ahead and get those off of the grill. And I just wanted to add some diced mango on mine and some fresh cilantro. Garnish it so it looks as beautiful as it tastes delicious. And then I just want to cut it so that you can see just how juicy this is inside. And here we are. Juicy and absolutely delicious. This is a real winner. Give me a like and a subscribe and come back and see me again. Thanks, everyone.